Ice maker powers on but doesn't produce ice, or it stops midway without completing a cycle. This usually points to water flow, sensor, or internal reset issues rather than a major fault. With a SILONN countertop ice maker, small things like low water level, blocked sensors, or overheating can interrupt normal operation. You might notice the machine runs, but no ice drops, or it shuts off unexpectedly. In some cases, the water reservoir isn't filled correctly, or internal parts need cleaning. Other times, the system just needs a reset after extended use. Instead of assuming the unit is damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get it producing ice again. 1. Turn off the ice maker and unplug it from the power source. 2. Empty the water reservoir and refill it with clean water. 3. Check for any blockage in the ice tray or water inlet area. 4. Clean the interior and sensors to remove buildup. 5. Plug the unit back in and power it on. 6. Allow it a few minutes to restart and begin a new ice cycle.